Hi there, after reviewing our code, we're gonna check how it is executed on this JavaScript Chip-8 emulator in order to understand what's happening there. And so, as you see, we see these numbers showing on the screen. First they are drawn, but the next step you see they're deleted. This is because of this operation that whenever it sees already on the screen the same pixel available, so just the second application of the same pixel just erases that. And so in this case we just don't have the stable picture. We just all the time we paint and erase, paint, erase. But let's take a look at the console and take a look on the. So I open up the console, and here you see all these messages, that all these console logs that we have in our code. So pretty much the key thing that we see this program counter is just changing all the time. So it is, as you see here, it's like 214, there's 216, so it increases every time. And also we see the opcode, operation code, which is executed right now. And so for some of them we have also console logs, and we say that I is set to 5F, and you see 5F here, it's the part of the operational opcode, and so we just extract it from here and say it's located here. So also for the drawing operation, we see that which X and Y are used, and VX, VY, so which register we use, index 1, index 0, index 1, and also which value we have there, so 33, 13. So Y is the same for all the symbols, and X you see is just incremented by 5 in decimal system, and then we get back to the 18. So this is pretty much the original value. And to see how it starts, so we just have this program jumping back to the 200 and looping over and over again. And so we have this program starting from 200, then 202 and 204, and so on we go back to 226, and then 226 last version, and we execute this command to jump back again, and we are in the loop. And so this gives you an idea of how does it work. In this simple program we use only opcodes that we already coded, but also a Chip-8 instruction set is a bit wider, and whenever we're gonna load some program that uses all the instructions from the set, we need to add more and add more instructions to our implementation, and we're going to see this opcode not found, and this behavior wouldn't be implemented yet. So in this case you can play around with this, you can modify these positions of these symbols, and you can see how it looks like. And definitely, in order to save resources, if you don't want this, we can feature flag or just create a toggle here that just gonna log out something or just wouldn't do that, in order to to make it more clean. But it's it's up to you. It's created for playing with that. So anyway, I've included this in basic version. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and check the next versions, next videos, where we're gonna load the real files from the ecosystem that people already created, different sorts of programs, and then we're gonna see how do they execute on this virtual machine. Bye.